Now, one of the last things you're going to want to have to do when you're using a hangman game is actually open up the code, type in new words into that list, and keep editing your code just to update that one list of things that you want it to run from. So say you wanted to create a hangman game for other subjects, actually having a text file that you could read in will actually save you some time. So what I've done is I've given you a link to this open book project which states how to do it. I'm giving you the text file with a number of list of words from it called keywords.txt. I'm just going to make sure it's saved in the right folder because they need to be within the same file. So it's within Hangman version 1.1. Let's just make sure that the code that I'm working with is in the same folder. It's not, so it's a good thing I checked. And we'll put that as Hangman 1 version 1.1. So they're now within the same folder. Now if I go, no, I'll change it up there. Got to be precise on these things. So what I'm going to have to do is, instead of having this list of words, I'm going to get my list of words from that text file on the left. Rather than typing them all in again, I'm going to use this code that's on this page that I'm giving you. And if I scroll down, I would suggest reading it because it does explain all the different functions and what it's doing. I'm going to firstly use the two lines file equals open. So file equals open bracket, nice purple word. And I need the name of the text file, which is keywords.txt. Again, talking faster than I can type. I need a comma, and in single speech marks I'm going to put R, which basically means I only want to read that file. I don't want to change it in any way at the moment. So now my words is going to equal file.readlines, open bracket, close bracket. And just to test that it's working, I think I'm going to print it out. Let's print out the whole of words just to make sure. There we go, press F5. Okay, that's looking pretty good. I can at least see that we've got all these words, but these /n's that are at the end of each of these words, apart from pseudocode, are probably going to cause errors within my game of Hangman as I play through. Let's try. I have 9 incorrect guesses remaining. Which is an N. I'm sneaking a cheat. I'm looking at the list and seeing what could match it. Oh, no. It's not that one. I'll just guess Marshall. Come on. It's not an S. ING. So could it be computing? And you'll see at the moment then what the error is going to come up with in my code. If I've got that / or \n at the end of my word, I've got an extra character that I'm not using. Now, I can hardly type in n at this point, or \n. I'm going to have to try and get rid of it. Simple as that. Yeah, let's kill it. Okay, so further down on this page, and what I might do is add an n to that one. So all I'm doing is putting a new line on. So that \n just has sort of like, and I'll just check that it works. I won't. I'll consider it true. So the .r is not normally like a carriage return or an n in our Windows code. So what this bit of code does here, where it puts a :-2, is it takes the last couple of characters off of what it's read in. So where we've got words, chosen word, I want to have :-2, close brackets. So it's going to take that bit off the end of the line. It's like kind of like slicing them off. It was in the way, we're going to get rid of it. Okay, so the thing's exactly the same. None type. I might have 2 fewer characters now. I do. I'm congratulating. I'm well done. But I have no E on the end. So if you take a look at none type, it's treating the \n as a whole character, and then I was taking my E off as well. So let's try it to 1. Please enter a guess for Hangman. Oh. A, no. Oh, no. There's a P. Ooh, development. Development. It's looking good. There we go. So I've completed my word. Whoop. I'll take up my debug code, but that should be how to add a text file so you don't have to keep editing your code every time you want to add